Blah,
I
blah,
have
blah,
a game for
blah.
us to play. Hello, friends. I am Blabina. And guess what? I have a game for us to play.
Hello.
Hello, hello. What are you doing here?
I want to play the game.
Oh, okay. Friends, this is my friend Shark. Shark, this is... I forgot to ask their name.
Ask them now.
Okay, what's your name? It's nice to meet you.
Blabina, what game are we going to play?
Yes, the game. Can you guess what type of fish is hiding behind the algae?
I can. What is a fish?
Wait, you don't know what a fish is?
No.
But Shark,
Yes.
you are the fish.
What?
F-I-S-H. Fish. Fish come in different shapes, colors and sizes.
A fish has a skeleton with a spine, which means fish is a vertebrate just like you.
To learn more about vertebrates, search for this episode. Fish can live in almost any place with water. For example, deep sea, lakes, and sometimes even at your house in an aquarium. I can't breathe underwater. Can you?
I can. That's because I have gills. A gill is the body part that helps me, a fish, breathe underwater. Me and you, we both need oxygen to breathe. You use your lungs and I use my gills.
All fish are slimy. Many fish are covered in scales. Scales protect fish much like a suit of armor.
Shall we play the game now? Ready? Ready? Steady? Steady? Go!
Clownfish. Eel. Pufferfish. Goldfish. It's me, Shark. Can we play again?
Shark, just stop. Can you just... Let's not do that, okay? You can play next time. But for now, it's time for you to go.
Really?
Yes. Say goodbye to your new friends.
Bye.
Friends, some of the fish were really hard to guess.
Which fish is your favorite?
I love the pufferfish. You did an amazing job. Do you know how I know? because I know that you are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. Yes, that's true. See you next time. Blah blah blabina, blah blah blabina, blah 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 blabina.
Blah blah blabina.
Blabina.